When you are happy, work gets done even in less sleep. Never tell your goal to anyone, it reduces the chances of achieving the goal. Singing songs reduces fatigue and depression. According to psychology, you either love or hate the person you remember while sleeping. People who do not get love from anyone become depressed and their risk of heart attack increases. According to research, people believe in bad things sooner than in good things. To test the good things, they ask again, but they immediately accept the bad things as right. If someone tells you that you have changed, then there is a 95% chance that you have stopped doing only the things that they wanted to do, the rest nothing has changed in you. If a person is sitting facing you but the feet are not on your side, then understand that that person is not interested in talking to you. If you want to attract someone quickly with your words, then start the conversation like this: I didn't want to tell this, but... Being honest doesn't make many friends, but those who do make good friends. If a person gets angry over small things, then understand that he is in dire need of your love and support.